Hi guys, and welcome back to the Urban Butchery Channel. On today's show, I'm going to be giving you step-by-step instructions on how to use a very important piece of kit in the butcher's armoury, and that is the hand mincer. So without further ado, let's roll the intro, bottoms up, heads down, let's crack on. This is what we're going to be mincing today, some beautiful prime beef skirt. Now this comes from the flank of the beast. What I'm really looking for is 100% VL. And what I mean by that is 100% visual lean. How we're going to achieve this is that we're going to remove this membrane from the skirt. It's got a small part here as well, and another piece over here. And then we're going to cut it into strips, and then we're going to put it through the mincer. Bit of edge maintenance. If anybody would like to know how to maintain the edge of the knife, then please look at one of my other videos that I did earlier. And then we'll just start to remove this. This really isn't very good eating, and if you do cook it with this on, it has a tendency of contracting when it cooks, and it makes your meat very tough. So we'll just get rid of that. As you see, no waste. And we've got a small bit of fat on the end here we need to remove. So we'll get that out of the way. And we'll turn it over and have a look. Got a little bit of fat here. And notice I'm not taking very much meat with this. Just the membrane, just the tissue. Okay, so that is roughly what 100 VL looks like. So we're going to do exactly the same with this piece. So we're just going to remove this fat, and of course you can leave the fat on if you wish. Then it would be a different VL. It would probably be 85, 90 VL. Of course, when you go into supermarkets and you look at the plastic trays full of mince, they will state what visual lean is in there. It's not always correct. If you go to your local butcher, speak to your local butcher, he will tell you exactly what visual lean you're getting. Obviously we can't put this straight through the mincer as it is. We need to cut it into strips. So again, a bit of edge maintenance. Place your knife there, point a little bit if you wish, pull through. And again, pull through. So I'll cut it into about 4 strips, roughly just under an inch. So these strips of skirt now are ready for mincing. Let's crack on. So we take our skirt, place it in, hand on the mincer, and turn the handle. And it's a shame because these mincers have been overlooked for quite a long time. You do find a lot in charity shops, and people just use them for ornaments when really they're a good practical tool. Get that far, we put another piece in. So there you go guys, 100 VL beef mince. Of course this mincer can be used for pork, can be used for lamb, can be used for chicken as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you next time on the Urban Butchery Channel. Skills for life.